Hey, thank you for joining my channel again. In this video, we're gonna do an unboxing video of the Openroad electric winch. It's got a synthetic rope of 26 meters, that's about 85 feet. I saw it on Amazon. I watched a couple of videos, read some reviews, and for the price point, good God, I had to get one. So, this sucker comes with a bunch of awesome stuff. It comes with like your wired remote, right? But it also comes with a wireless one. Like a wireless remote for this price range is unheard of. It's IP67, like water resistant, like everything else in the world today. But what I really liked about it was it's got it's a 6 horsepower motor. Like it's a pretty powerful motor in this little winch. 13,000 pound winch. For the price point, it can't be beat. It's got like I know a little bit about winches, but not a lot. I've had a bunch over the years, but I've never actually looked at the mechanical parts of it. I just wanted something that would work for my Jeeps. This sucker has got a gear train 3-stage planetary. I'm not really sure what that means, but what the research shows that I've read up on it is that it's actually pretty decent for the price point. And 6 horse, that's pretty decent as well as what I've read for winches. So this Openroad winch looks like it might be a pretty good budget winch. So anybody out there who can't afford those Warrens, I know those Warren EVO, whatever the hell, they're gorgeous. You know, 10,000, 12,000 pound winches are great. From Warren, I'd love one. So Warren, if you're listening, just kidding. I can't afford a Warren, but what I can afford is to get something that is gonna last me and help me in some of those pulls. Like I don't winch a lot, never really have. I've been lucky enough where I haven't gotten super stuck, but you never know. And having something with me, you know, on my Jeep that can help pull me out is better than having nothing at all. So a budgetary winch is a lot better than no winch. So with that, you know, being said, this is not a Warren winch or even a Smittybilt winch. This is Openroad, which looks like it's only sourced on Amazon. I do see their website. I can link the website in this video. But let's check it out together. Let's unbox it and let's see what you get for your money on a budget. Thanks so much for watching. All right, so let's open up this winch from Openroad. Let's see what we got here. I really have to invest in a much cooler knife for unboxing instead of using an X-Acto blade. All right. Okay, lots of stickers. That's not bad at all. It's always good to promote. Always good to promote what you use. Instructions. You always need instructions. Okay. Thank you so much for your order. Yeah, no problem. It's good to have a little note there. All right. So there's the wired remote. Not bad at all. A little wire remote. So you got your out and your in. Okay. Normal. You got your hook, which I probably won't be using though. I bought something else. If you've watched some other videos, you've seen I've got a nice little a flat shackle mount assembly. Okay. Well, looks like your ground. Let's have a look at this one here. Part of the top of the winch here, as you can see right here, has come through, but that's not bad. I mean, it's packaged pretty solid though. I gotta say, it's looking pretty good. Oh, nice, look at that. That is pretty sick. Look at that, and there's your wireless. There's your wireless remote. That is pretty badass. I like that. All right. Okay, so you got two. Got 2 wireless remotes. That's friggin' amazing. Okay, and there's your hookups. So over here. There we go. Again, packaged really well. You know what I mean? Like this, like everything else in this budget-friendly community here, it's gonna come from from China, no worries. I understand that. Under no illusions. There we go. Aluminum Haas. Not bad at all. Again, Open Country logo on there. Here's your hardware. Okay, put the solenoid there. There's your hardware for it. Oh, I forgot this. Here's the hardware again for the actual bottom of the winch to hook it onto your winch plate. So everything's there. And then here's the winch itself. Ugh. It's got some weight to it. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'll put it up on my workbench here so we can take a better look at it. Okay, so here it is all laid up on my workbench here. This is freaking phenomenal for the price. So Openroad gives you a 13,000 pound winch, synthetic rope. Like, look at that. Remember, that's crazy. Like a synthetic rope at this price, you're getting 85 feet, 26 meters. Like it's not like small, it's quite substantial. 13,000 pound winch, right? It's gonna be somewhat waterproof with an IP67 water resistance, right? You're looking at a 6 horsepower motor. Like this is pretty awesome, right? There's your solenoid on top right there, and it's fully encased. Like I'm not trying to get super excited here, but like I remember there was a Smittybilt one that I had on my JKU. It was not quite as sealed as this. I'm not kidding you. Like look at this. Like that's top of the line. That looks very similar to my Voss switch waterproof line areas. Like that's some really good attention to detail for that budget-minded guy. You know, bag of hardware, right? They're not forgetting anything. It came really nice. I mean, there's a couple of dings, like a little bit of scratching, but nothing really. Considering it's come a long distance, right? Gives you the aluminum Haas with it as well. Again, it's gonna give you the hook. Again, I won't use that hook, but it gives it to you. And it actually gives you instructions on how to hook this sucker up, right? Nothing crazy. But I mean, at least you're getting something, and it's an actual hard copy book. It's not like sorry, not a hard copy, but you know what I mean. It's like a pamphlet style. It's not just a sheet of paper that you can't read, and the pictures are horrible, and the ink is like faded. That's actually a pretty good set of instructions. And like I said, you also get that wired remote, which is nice, but then you're getting 2 wireless remotes, like 2 wireless remotes and a remote. I mean, awesome. I'm pretty stoked. I'm pretty happy, and I cannot wait to get this Openroad winch on a bumper and on my Gladiator. So anyways, if you're looking for a really nice winch on a budget, this looks like it's the real deal. Now, I won't know until I test it, of course, but just out of the box, like looking at what I'm getting, looking at the quality of the parts, I'm pretty impressed. You know, so if you're on a budget, maybe take a look at the Openroad product. Again, thanks very much for watching my my horrible video. Give me like a like. If you want to subscribe, please do it. And leave a comment. I always read my comments, and I always try and get back to you as soon as possible. Again, thanks so much for watching, and wait for the video where I install this bad boy. Have a great day. Thank you.